नमस्कार। एक बार फिर मैं आपके सामने हाजिर हूँ मैथमेटिक्स मिडिल लेवल के एक टॉपिक को लेकर, जिसे हम कहते हैं रोमन न्यूमरल्स। नॉर्मल अरेबिक नोटेशन में आप सब जानते हैं लिखना, हिंदू अरेबिक नोटेशन में कैसे रोमन यूज किया जाए ये देखते हैं। क्लासरूम अक्सर हम देखते हैं कि अगर हम क्लासरूम का नाम लिखना हो, क्लास 6 लिखना हो, तो हम इस तरह से लिख देते हैं क्लास 6। लेकिन अलग अलग तरह के नंबर, बड़े बड़े नंबर कैसे लिखे जाएं, क्या इसका नियम है, कितने तरह के सिंबल्स होते हैं। लेट अस सी what we have here different type of symbols. Now you can see that in Roman numeral we use symbols which looks like I, looks like V, then we have X, L, then we have C, then looks like D, and then we have a symbol which resembles M. These are the symbols which are used, numerals, for writing different numbers. Now what do they represent? If I talk about this, the smallest one, the first one, that is I, it represents number 1. I can replace it just in front of it. I have V, the V is representing 5. I have X, it represents 10. L, 50. C, let me see, oh, it's 100. Then I have D, oh, it's D, and this is 500. And the last one is M, and M is for 1000. It's little bit easy to remember also. If you remember it in a rhyming style, call it IVX, IVX, LCDM, IVX, LCDM. Let's say a few times and you'll be able to remember it forever. IVX, LCDM. So it is 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, 1000. So first of all we must remember this, okay? Even if it is mixed up, you should be in a position to rearrange it. X, okay, it's 10. L, it's 50. C, it's 100. So you can play a game so that you become used to this. Now what are the different rules? The rule is some of the things which you have to remember. In this first one I, then I have here 10, I have here 100, and this is 1000. 1, 10, 100 and 1000. These numbers can be repeated, these symbols can be repeated, and the rule is that I can repeat it maximum 3 times, not more than 3 times. That means I can write here X and again X 3 times. If I want I can write here I, and I have here one more I here, see, 3 times. But fourth place we cannot have here I once again. This is wrong, so I have to remove this. Maximum 3 times. M, I have placed here. Let me see if I have some more. C, okay. M, let me have one more. C. Maximum 3 times I can repeat 1, 10, 100 and 1000. These numbers, symbols, they cannot be repeated even twice. Forget about thrice. They remain single, only one. Second thing is that, like I have to write 300, so I can repeat 100 3 times. C, 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 so it becomes 300. I have to write 3000, I can repeat 3 times. M, 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 it becomes 3000. If I have to write 30, 10, 10, 10, it becomes 30. But if I have to write 40, I cannot have X here. Or if I have to write 4, I cannot have this. This is wrong. So if I have to write 4, then for that the rule is from 5 I have to subtract 1. The rule is very simple. When a small value is written on the right side of a bigger value, when we write a small value on the right side of a bigger value, if I write V and I, it becomes 5 plus 1 6. But if I write it on the left hand side, it becomes 4. 1 subtracted from 5. This is 6, this is 4. So that's why we don't repeat this I 4 times. For writing 4, we do 5 minus 1. So this is 5 minus 1. Similarly, if I write 40, I cannot write 40 4 times x. So what I will do, I will take this x here and I will put it on the left hand side. So this xl is 40. In the same way, if I put this x on the right hand side, then it becomes 60. 50 plus 10 is 60. Very interesting. 50 plus 10 is 60. I can write 70 also. This is 60. I can put one more. This is 70. I can write 80. I will put one more x. 50, 10, 10, 10, 60, 70, 80. But if I have to write 90, then I cannot have one more x. It will become wrong. Because the rule says we cannot repeat more than thrice. So if I have to write 90, then again the same system. I will take 100 and from 100 I will subtract 10. I will put this x here. So this is 90. 100 minus 10. When a smaller value is on the left hand side, we subtract. When the smaller value is on the right hand side, we add. 100 plus 10, this is 110, and this is 100 minus 10, it is 90. So this is interesting way. I can write here 110, I can write 20, so in this way it will continue. Similarly, if we come to 500, if I want to write 400, I cannot not repeat this 100 4 times. This 100c, I cannot repeat 4 times, this is wrong. So what I will do, if I write 400, I will take this value. 500 is represented by D. So from 500, I will subtract 100. So this is 400. If I want to write a number, suppose 457. So what I will do, first I will look for 400. 400 will be 500 minus 100. 500 minus 100. This is 400. Then I will go for 50. 50, you all know this is L. This is 50. Then I have to write 7. 7 is V. That means 5. And then I will repeat this 2 times. So this is 457. In the same way, if I have to go for 1000, I will use N. 1000, suppose let's take one more number. 1400, maybe 97. 1497. So 1000 I will take 1M. 400 will be 500 minus 100. 500 is this D. 500 minus 100. So I will put C before D. So this is 1400. Then I have to write 90. 90 will be 100 minus 10. 100 is C. This is 100. So from 100 I will subtract 10. So I will write it on the left, put it on the left hand side. 1490 and then 7. 7 will be once again this V and then 2I. 1497. This is the number. So in this way, if you remember, you will be able to write any number using these symbols. So once again I will say what you have to remember: IVX LCDM. 1, 10, 100, 1000. They can be repeated 3 times, whereas 5, 50, 500 are not repeatable. Please remember, practice, and you will be able to understand this. Thank you.